channel. So today we are going to be making sauce. So I usually make this and put it in my fridge.
Welcome back again to my channel. So today we are going to be making this garlic
like
parmesan chicken wings. So of course I already cleaned out my chicken and we are going to go ahead to
so here I have my onions.
put
For
all
this
my seasoning
particular
and
recipe, you
everything in
need
the
a whole
chicken.
lot of onions, as much as you can get, because the main thing here is just the onions, basically, and then we have some,
and
just
as usual I am going
tomatoes
to leave
in there, and then
the
habanero pepper. Of course, if you like your food spicy, if not, you can skip the pepper.
I'm adding
So we are going
the
to add this
paprika,
on,
my usuals. If you've been
blender,
here
and
long
we are
enough,
going
you
to
already
blend
know
this
most
up
of the seasonings
and
that
then
I
get ready
use
for the next
in
step.
cooking. So we're going to be
By the
adding
way,
all
if you're
of
new on
that
here,
in.
welcome, my love. Welcome back to my channel. And yeah, do go ahead and click on that subscribe button if you have not done that already. You would definitely love it here. I have amazing recipes coming every week, sometimes twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week. So you would definitely love it here. Go ahead and click that red subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Also, don't forget to share this video, like this video, and leave your comments in the comment section. And as usual, I am going to be leaving everything, details and everything in the description box, so you can always find me there. After adding that in, we're going to go ahead and give it a good mix. So in a pot, you want to go ahead and add in your palm oil.
I added some corn flour,
just as much as you want
to be
honestly, it does not really
hot
have
oil,
any
so
particular
I added
amount,
some corn flour.
but I'm going to give you guys a kind of like a reference in the description box, just if you're kind of like still clueless about it. And then we're going to wait for that to heat up a bit, and we are going to go ahead and pour in our mixture, our blended
mixture.
After that,
you're going to go ahead and fry that up. I just did not want to waste any further time, so this is what it's looking like. You're going to fry it until it is golden brown, and I'm putting that out.
So you see where the onions comes in. So the more the onion you have, the more sauce you are able to make.
And then I covered that up to cook for a while. I just kept on checking it and making sure that I stir it to avoid.
And then in a separate pot,
I am make sure it doesn't burn.
Butter,
and I'm just checking it constantly to make sure just keep all of stirring my sauce and just making sure it doesn't burn. Now that I am here, I'm adding some crayfish. I'm going to add some Knorr seasoning, and that's about it. This sauce just does not need too much, but trust me, it tastes amazing. And you guys, this is ready. This is my cooked beans, and I'm going to add my sauce to it and then put the rest. I'm going to refrigerate the rest and keep using it as long as it's still in there, and this saves me time and energy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button together, and comment and also share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe if you have not done that already. Don't forget to like this video. I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. If you have not done that already, I'll definitely be seeing you guys in the next one.